Hi, my name is Peyrouton. I'm a criminal defense attorney in New York and New Jersey. This is part 4 of our 4-part series on New Jersey's diversionary programs. We're going to talk about drug court. We're going to answer all your questions. What is it? Who qualifies? How long does it last? What are the requirements? We're going to cover all of that. So, if you're charged with a felony and you suffer from alcohol or drug addiction or both, you may qualify for drug court. Not all felonies are eligible for drug court. So drug court was established in the 80s in New Jersey, and the courts recognized, the legislature recognized, that a lot of times people who are under the influence, if they're high or drunk, they commit crimes. They're not necessarily criminals. Their judgment was so impaired that their addiction took over, and now they're facing a felony. They're looking at a criminal record, and they're looking at going to prison. So the underlying intention, the whole reason for drug court is rehabilitation, okay? We want to help people. So what do you have to do to get into drug court? Number one, there's 2 parts. Number 1, you have to get what's called a clinical assessment. You have to be evaluated by a member of the drug court staff, and they have to know what you're addicted to, how long you've been addicted to it, and what other problems are going on in your life. And then there's the legal requirement, which is where your defense attorneys come in. Certain crimes are not eligible for drug court. So we look at what you're charged with, we look at whether or not you can fit into that category, and then we have to make a compelling argument as to why you're a good candidate for drug court. We have to persuade the prosecutor, and ultimately we have to persuade the judge to give you this opportunity. Again, it's all about rehabilitation. So it's a very strict program. You have to perform community service. You will be asked to seek and maintain employment. You will have to drug test very frequently, and there are a lot of little things that you need to do in drug court that you have to comply with because you're getting a second chance. So we do this for a living. We've helped a lot of people get into drug court. We're criminal defense attorneys. We love what we do. We work 7 days a week. We're here to answer all of your questions. We have free consultations. Take advantage of them. Our information is at the bottom and at the top. Give us a call. God bless you.